Hey everyone, I'm Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here with some mind-blowing mug cookie recipes. We're bringing you 7 ways to satisfy your cookie cravings in just a minute. From chocolate chip to peanut butter, double chocolate, and even Nutella. I've got a serious sweet tooth, and these recipes are pure genius. So if you're ready to master microwave desserts, smash that like button. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any future treats, and let's get this cookie party started. All right, first up, we're going classic with the OG chocolate chip mug cookie. You guys know the drill. Grab your favorite mug. The bigger, the better. And let's do this. First up, toss in 4 tablespoons of flour, then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Gotta have that sweetness. Now a pinch of baking soda, just a smidge, and a tiny sprinkle of salt. Don't worry, it won't be salty, I promise. Mix that dry stuff up real good. Then we're adding the wet ingredients, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, gotta be melty, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Any kind will do, we're not picky. Mix it all up until it's a nice smooth batter. Now, for the best part, chocolate chips. I'm talking a whole handful, at least a quarter cup, maybe more, who's counting? Sprinkle a few extra on top for good measure, because why not? Microwave that bad boy for 60 to 90 seconds, keep an eye on it so it doesn't explode, and boom. Warm, gooey chocolate chip cookie in a mug. You're welcome. Okay, peanut butter fanatics, this one's for you. Grab your mug, it's time for round 2. Same deal as before, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We like it sweet. A pinch of baking soda, and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix it all up real good. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Ditch the milk this time and use 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Make sure it's the good stuff, none of that low-fat nonsense. Mix it up until it's all combined and looking like a peanut buttery dream. Now you can either stir in some chocolate chips, because peanut butter and chocolate are a match made in heaven, or go full-on peanut butter and chop up a peanut butter cup and mix that in. Microwave on high for about a minute, maybe a little longer depending on your microwave's mood, and bam, you've got yourself a peanut butter explosion in a mug. You can thank me later. Alright, time to spice things up with a Snickerdoodle surprise. This one's for all you cinnamon lovers out there. Same as before. 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. But here's where it gets interesting. We're adding a teaspoon of cinnamon right into the mix. Mix it all up until it's nice and fragrant. Now for the wet ingredients, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it all up until you have a smooth batter. Now for the Snickerdoodle magic, mix together a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once your cookie is done, sprinkle that cinnamon sugar mixture all over the top. Trust me, it's like a party in your mouth. Microwave for about a minute, maybe a little longer, and get ready for the ultimate cinnamon sugar rush. Chapter 4. Oatmeal Raisin, the healthy-ish one. Okay, so maybe you're looking for something a little healthier. Don't worry, I got you covered. This oatmeal raisin mug cookie will satisfy your sweet tooth without completely derailing your diet. We're starting with 3 tablespoons of flour this time, then 2 tablespoons of oats. Gotta get that fiber in. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar adds a nice caramelly flavor and a pinch of baking soda and salt. Mix it all up, then add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm, comforting flavor. Now, for the star of the show raisins, I know, some people hate them, but trust me on this one. Add a heaping tablespoon or 2 if you're feeling adventurous. Microwave for about a minute, maybe a little longer, depending on your microwave, and boom. You've got yourself a healthy-ish, delicious oatmeal raisin cookie in a mug. Chapter 5. Double chocolate. Because sometimes 1 chocolate is not enough. All right, chocoholics, this one's for you. We're going all out with a double chocolate mug cookie that will blow your mind. Same as before, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. But here's where it gets serious. We're adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the mix. Mix it all up until it's nice and chocolatey. Now for the wet ingredients, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it all up until you have a smooth, decadent batter. Now because we're going all out, we're adding a whole handful of chocolate chips, at least a quarter cup, maybe more. And because we're feeling extra, chop up a couple of your favorite chocolate squares, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you're craving, and mix those in too. Microwave for about a minute, maybe a little longer, and get ready for the ultimate chocolate overload. Chapter 6. Funfetti Explosion. It's like a party in your mug. Let's get this party started with a Funfetti Explosion Mug Cookie. It's like a birthday cake in a mug, but better. Same as before. 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now for the fun part, add a tablespoon of sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, whatever you've got. Mix it all up until it's nice and colorful. Now for the wet ingredients. 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it all up until you have a smooth, sprinkle-filled batter. Now because we like to party, add another tablespoon of sprinkles to the mix, just for good measure. Microwave for about a minute, maybe a little longer, and get ready for the most fun you've ever had with a mug cookie. Chapter 7. Nutella Nirvana, the ultimate chocolate hazelnut dream. Okay, Nutella lovers, this one's for you. We're ending this epic mug cookie journey with a Nutella Nirvana that will rock your world. Same as before. 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now, for the good stuff, add a heaping tablespoon of Nutella to the mix. Mix it all up until it's nice and chocolatey. Now for the wet ingredients, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix it all up until you have a smooth, dreamy batter. Now because we're going all out, drizzle some extra Nutella on top and sprinkle on some chopped hazelnuts for that extra crunch and flavor. Microwave for about a minute, maybe a little longer, and get ready for the ultimate Nutella experience. Outro Cookie Monster out. There you have it, folks. 7 incredible mug cookie recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth in minutes. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome recipes and crazy food challenges. Linda might be back with more of her secret recipes, who knows? Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Until next time, peace out.